this is a review of this camera that I'll be doing a review on. So this camera, you can see here that it is a high quality camera. It's a 360 camera. It offers a lot of stuff. It has a night vision mode. You can pretty much check your phone, and it gives you alerts as well too. It also has a iCloud storage drive. It offers a good amount of storage as well too. You can see the installation is very easy. You just have to put 4 mounting brackets and drill it onto the wall mount, as you can see right over there. And then from there you get your solar panel, and then you hook it up onto the pretty much wherever you get the sunlight, like wherever you get from the sun from the trees. So you do it just like that, and then from there you have it installed, and the connectivity is very good. The Wi-Fi signal is very good as well too. It offers night vision as well too, which I can't really show you guys in the daytime, but it also has siren mode and also different types of modes, and it really is an amazing camera. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the features that this camera offers. So you can see here, this is where I'm standing, and it shows you guys all the accuracy and everything like that. You have the screen mode, the intercom mode, the original sound, record, lights. Then when we go off to here, you see a calendar, album. It offers a lot of stuff, and really is a high quality definition camera. Right from here, when we move it to this way, so it offers a siren mode. When I click on this and I activate it, so it offers sirens as well too, and I could close this off. You could close it. You can also have another mode too. As I'm talking, you can see that it works as I'm talking. So that's another cool feature too. So like as I'm talking, it'll say whatever I'm saying, like hello, hello, testing, testing. So it does all that stuff right there. So it's a good camera to pretty much do everything. Let's say, for example, if a package or something like that drops off, you can do it like that too. It offers screenshot as well too, record, a light that gives a night vision as well too, to keep a monitor if you see something that, like any intruder or anything like that. It offers a lot of stuff, intercom, the record, screenshot. Like I mentioned, it records very well. It saves the recording very well, and it really is a high definition camera. If you are looking for a 360 camera, then this solar panel security system camera is probably one of the best cameras that you can get, and I would highly recommend this camera because of how it is very easy to install. It's versatile. There's not much screws or wiring that's into it like compared to other security cameras. It's very a universal and versatile camera where you can hook it up pretty much anywhere with not a whole lot of wiring. And I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a replacement set or a new camera. Then this camera, 360 solar panel camera, is probably one of the best cameras that you could get.